we've just created a new feature for Smartplan that I'd like to show you. It's located right here in the Activity Center. As you know, the Activity Center is where you can find everything you need to manage. Shift swaps, absence requests, and now we've added this new functionality. It's powered by our Smartplan Assistant, which is also the feature that manages your rules during shift planning. And the new thing here is that the Smartplan Assistant monitors all your rules when you release the shift plan. So even if your employees swap shifts, call in sick, and so on, you can be sure you're following your rules, and if not, the Smartplan Assistant will let you know. So here's an example with Emma, who has a closing shift in Nørrebro and an opening shift the next day in Østerbro. This means that she no longer has a long enough break between her work shifts, which is a requirement, and that's exactly why I'm being notified about this situation. The clever part here is that you can work with it much like you work with your email. So down here, for example with Magnus, it flags that Magnus doesn't have the job type to take these shifts. But you already know that you've just given him a temporary shift as it was the only thing that could be done. So you don't care about this rule and you can then snooze it for 2 weeks. That way you can clear things out either by fixing it, reaching out to Emma to move her shifts, or snoozing them if you want to clear the list. It gives you genuine peace of mind and a clear overview, helping you manage your business instead of worrying about all the rules connected to your shift planning. Enjoy!